2026 is a very special year because it marks the 20th anniversary of one of the most popular films in Pixar history. Are there any Cars fans in the house? I thought so. Well, earlier this week you probably heard that Disney is expanding its collaboration with F1 into the world of cars. There is so much more Cars love on the way, including 2 new attractions at the Magic Kingdom in Florida. Here to talk more about those, please welcome back Michael Hunton, joined by Imagineer Jason Grant. All right, so it seems like you're quite busy at Walt Disney World these days. Tell us more about these Cars attractions coming to the Magic Kingdom.
Well, I'm really excited to work on Cars because, the movie holds a really special place in my heart. My son Miles, he was a huge fan of the movie. In fact, there he is. His first ever Disney meet and greet was right across the way here in Cars Land. So I know from personal experience how powerfully families really connect with these characters. Our expansion of the Magic Kingdom is an extension of the Frontierland story that celebrates the rich legacy and the spirit of America's national parks. Hopefully some of you guys stop by the pavilion this weekend. You can see in the Piston Peak model, it is full of mud flats and rivers and geysers, trails, and so much more. And the best part is that all these natural wonders will come alive in the adventurous spirit, the humor, and the heart, Lightning, Nader, and all their friends, including Miss Fritter from Cars 3. This is your first look at a new piece of concept art for one of the 2 attractions in Piston Peak. It's called Miss Fritter's Daredevil Spin-Off. And now, if you don't know her, Miss Fritter is a demolition derby with a larger-than-life personality. And in our attraction, she takes center stage as a huge school bus-sized animatronic hosting her wildest demolition derby yet.
Wow, there's no missing that bus. All right, so what about your second attraction? I feel like am I gonna feel like a real race car?
Absolutely you are. We're creating an off-road race at Piston Peak that we're announcing tonight is going to be called Cars Ridge Run Rally. There's a logo right there.
Oh, it's pretty.
Yeah, very beautiful. We're going to find out who's the wildest racer in the wilderness as each car. Alright, we have puns. We have a truck full of puns. No worries. Yes, as each car is competing for the fastest lap in the wilderness. We're going to take a look at some of our concept art right now. This is how we're going to start the race. You're going to head off in the wilderness for a climb up the mountain. It's going to be really thrilling all the way up to the top, but it's just going to be a little bit bouncy. Then once you reach the peak, it's going to be completely covered in snow. And I'm really excited to see this at night because I can't wait to see how it sparkles under the moonlight. Then you're going to race your way down Piston Peak. It's going to be a series of Camelback humps. And it was a little bouncy on the way up. It's going to be really bouncy on the way down. So you're going to want to make sure you're on tight. And then lastly, you're going to make a run through our geyser peak. These geysers are going to chase you all the way to our largest geyser, one that we call Old Tankful. And then you're going to... sorry, we had to... Where that came from?
Can I say truckloads already?
Yes. Okay. Anyways, so you're going to circle up to the top of the geyser, and then it's a sprint down through the finish line where Lightning and Mater are going to weigh you, providing live play-by-play of all the action.
Shout out to our team. They are amazing. And as you can see, construction is fully underway. Not that anybody here has noticed from the Big Thunder Mountain Q.
That's my fiance.
The theater around, we call this Imagineering around.
Nice.
We're working with our friends at Pixar to bring this fun and wild Cars world to life when we're finished, this will be a new type of racing experience, unlike anything we've ever done anywhere else in the world. We are so proud.
I'm so thrilled and can't wait to see it. Michael, Jason, thank you for all those new details and reminding us why we love cars so much.